What if the reason you feel tired, unfocused, or stuck isn't because you're not eating enough, but because you never stop eating? There's a switch inside your body, and chances are you've never turned it on. Most people are told to eat constantly. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, more snacks, dinner, always fueling, always consuming. But what if that constant intake is the problem? Imagine your body like a warehouse. Deliveries are coming in all day. Boxes pile up. Nothing gets sorted. Nothing gets repaired. It's just nonstop activity. Now imagine closing the doors. No new deliveries. No interruptions. For the first time, the system can reset. This is what happens when you stop eating. Let's walk through it. The clock starts the moment you finish your last meal. In the first few hours, your body is full of energy. Food is being broken down. Nutrients enter your bloodstream. Insulin rises to move that energy into your cells. And here's the key detail. When insulin is high, your body is in storage mode. Not burning fat, not accessing reserves, just storing. So during this phase, your body is running entirely on what you just ate. Fat burning is essentially off. After a few hours, things begin to change. Your blood sugar starts to drop back to normal. Insulin begins to fall. The immediate fuel from your meal is gone. And this is where most people struggle. You feel hungry. Your stomach growls. Your energy dips slightly. Your brain tells you to eat. But this isn't starvation. This is your body adjusting. It's used to quick energy. Now it has to switch to stored energy. If you wait, something important happens. Your body starts tapping into glycogen. This is stored glucose in your liver and muscles. Think of it like a backup supply. It keeps you going when no new food is coming in. You're still not in fat-burning mode yet, but you're getting closer. Around the 12-hour mark, your glycogen levels drop significantly. Now your body has a decision to make, and it chooses survival. Insulin drops to a low baseline, and your body finally unlocks stored fat. This is the turning point. You are no longer running on food. You are running on your own energy reserves. A few hours later, the experience shifts again. Hunger fades. Energy stabilizes. Your mind becomes clearer. Why? Because your body is no longer dependent on incoming food. It's pulling from a steady, reliable fuel source. Body fat. At the same time, your liver begins producing ketones. These are molecules your brain can use for energy, and they're incredibly efficient. Many people notice improved focus here, less brain fog, more mental clarity. It's not a coincidence. Your body is designed for this state. As the fast continues, something deeper begins. Your body starts repairing itself. Damaged cells are broken down. Old proteins are recycled. Cellular waste is cleared out. This process is one of the most powerful benefits of fasting. It's like a full internal cleanup. Your body removes what's no longer working and rebuilds stronger components in its place. And this only happens when you give it time without food. Now, another concern comes up here. What about muscle? The truth is, your body protects it. During longer fasting periods, your body increases growth hormone. This helps preserve lean muscle while encouraging fat burning. So instead of breaking down muscle for energy, your body prioritizes stored fat. It uses what it was designed to use. As you approach the end of the fast, your body is in a highly efficient state. Your cells are more sensitive to nutrients. Your digestive system has had time to rest. Your energy is stable and steady. But this is also where many people make a mistake. They break the fast with low-quality food, highly processed meals, sugary drinks, empty calories, and the result is immediate. Energy crashes, bloating, fatigue. It cancels out many of the benefits. Instead, your first meal should be intentional. Start with protein. Give your body the building blocks it needs. Add healthy fats to support stable energy, and include nutrient-dense foods to replenish essential vitamins and minerals, because this meal matters more than most. Now, it's important to be realistic. If you go from eating all day to one meal a day overnight, it will feel difficult. You may experience headaches, low energy, or cravings at first. This is not failure. It's adaptation. Your body is learning to become metabolically flexible, to switch between fuel sources efficiently. One simple way to make this easier is to stay hydrated and maintain your electrolyte balance. When insulin drops, your body releases water and sodium, so sometimes what feels like hunger is actually a lack of electrolytes. Take your time with the transition. Gradually extend your fasting window. Allow your body to adjust, because once it does, everything changes. Here's the key takeaway. Hunger is not an emergency. It's a signal. And once you stop reacting to it immediately, you gain control. Your energy becomes stable. Your focus improves. Your dependence on constant eating fades. You're no longer driven by the need to eat every few hours. You're operating on your own terms. This isn't about starving yourself. It's about creating space for your body to function the way it was designed to burn stored energy, to repair itself, to reset. So ask yourself this: have you ever actually given your body enough time to reach this state? Or have you been interrupting the process your entire life? If this made you think, drop a comment below. I'd like to know your experience. And if you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.